Sawadee-krap. Good morning, parents and students, and welcome back to another video lesson. Today we talk about rain season. Rain season. How the rain come. What is this? This is sun. Sun. What sun? We have the sun and river. River has water. The sun heat water, and the water goes up in the sky like this. Water, sun. What is this? Steam. One more time. Steam. And the steam goes in the sky and makes clouds. Clouds. And from the clouds we have rain cloud. And what is this? This is rain drop. Rain drop. And when the rain goes away, we have rainbow. Rainbow. Now let's play a quick game. We have water and we have the sun, and this is steam. Let's put it here. What is this? We have water, the sun, and now we have clouds. We have many clouds. Like that. And what is this? Rain. Very good. And what about this? We don't have clouds now. We don't have rain. We have rainbow. Very good. Number 1. I want to put in the correct order. What comes first? We have the sun, the water, and the steam. I think this. Number 2. Clouds. Just clouds. I think this one. Number 3. We have the rain. Rain cloud and raindrop. Where is the rain cloud and raindrop? Here! Yes, this one. Number 4, we have rainbow. Of course. Here, worksheet. Step 1. Write your name in English. Write your number and write your class. 1/7. Step 2. Put the correct number under the picture. Steam, cloud, rain, rainbow. Step 3. Color nicely the pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures. We have the picture of rainbow. What color is this? Orange. What color is this? Green. Again, thank you so much, dear parents and students. And I will see you very soon. For now, bye bye. Thank you, Kapungkap.